and welcome back to another video. Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today we're doing a kitchen swap. Cause today I actually was supposed to do the bedroom swap with this girl over here. Guys, I have McDonald's Wi-Fi. One sec. Sorry guys, I'm back. She's back. So I just disconnected. Anyways, so her name is LocalElla. So you know the rules. If she says no, I can just say it. Okay. But I'll just tell them. So she just said hi. So everyone can say hi back. So the rules are no sabotaging. So you cannot actually sabotage at all in these, or else you would just be kicked out. She agrees, obviously. Who wouldn't? No touching other person's build. And so guys, let me set the timer and I'll okay, so let me give her perms. It's a kitchen build, by the way, and I think I have like 2 minutes left to use. And I have just one in mind. Okay, so she has it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go and sleep now.
Sorry, that was my mom. She just said, because I'm right beside her. That wasted like 2 minutes, but anyways. Okay, so she'll have right. Whatever she chooses, I agree, and it's fine, perfectly fine if she wants to swap, because I can't force her. I think, okay, and then I'll go into the color wheel and make it slightly darker. Make the material maybe like a pattern, overlapping circles. Oh my goodness, why can't I click these? Oh my goodness, what the heck? That wasn't fun at all. And then I want the overlapping circles. Perfect. Okay, she just entered build mode. Okay, I'm so laggy. Mine was gonna be a 4x4 kitchen. Oh wait, no, I don't like that. I just want a normal one because I want like a wall with just cobble. No, I want a hurricane gray and darker. then go into. Okay, then go. And guys, I do have specific times when I stop playing Roblox because I play Roblox a little bit too much. But today I just literally did it for videos, and the videos are really tiring today. So I want a bit of time to make. Okay, I'm gonna add some 10 minutes because I really need to do this with her, or she'll get really hurt because I actually did not have time because I had to do the video with someone else because she took a little too long. And yeah, so I kind of had to do it without her, sadly, because she took a bit too long. So I actually had to do it myself, sadly. So I hope she isn't sad about that. I don't think she really cares. She just really wanted to do the video with me. So now I don't mind her doing it because it is my fault and I can't really blame her. So, okay, I'm just gonna tell her if there's 1 minute left, 2 minutes. Okay, so there's 50 seconds. I am just doing the floor. I prefer this. Oh my goodness. Hurry, planks along. Hurry, 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 hurry. And do 3 layers quickly. Oh my goodness. And then, no, pillars, pillars. Where's the pillars? Oh my goodness. I can't find it. Okay. Those are cute. Okay, guys. So, time. Okay, let me start the next 5 minutes. Swap. Okay, so now we're swapping, and here, okay, I love it, but I don't like how it's a cube. So I'm gonna remove this, and I'm gonna start making another dining room. Not a dining room.
Incredible savings,
Yep.
super benefits. That's game-changing Irish.
Seriously, yeah. Okay, I love it, but I don't like how it's a cube shape. So I'm gonna add some shape. Oh. And I kind of want to add some more. I want to use cobblestone for these sides. Make it like that. And I want to make this. Ooh. Where is like. And I'll do. Ew, I don't like how it's linen. Sorry. I just don't like how things. Oh, sorry, it's in the ads. Oh my goodness. I didn't realize because I was focusing. Sorry guys, that was so rude of me. I'll stop doing that because that is very mean. Oh, she hates me now, I think. I'm just gonna spam undo. Because it's kind of giving linen. It's close. I think she used linen and changed it. Oh wait, that's actually kind of cute. There. Okay, she's happy now because that was really, really cute. And if she liked it, I felt bad, so I switched it. So again, shout out to LocalElla. That was very rude of me. Please forgive me because I hate when I'm not forgiven because I have so much guilt in myself. So please forgive me because I get super rude sometimes.
Can you turn off?
Sorry, 1 second. Sorry guys, my mom walked in. She just kind of annoyed me because she was like, blah, blah, blah. But you know what I mean. I'm getting angry. Sorry guys, I just keep disconnecting and I keep getting disrupted and it's annoying. Gotta pause this. What the heck? Oh, sorry. Sorry guys, I'm just apologizing because it's mean. Okay, so I'm gonna give her 20k budget. I really don't know how much. Yeah, I'll just give her 200,000. One sec. Sorry guys, I'm back, but my friend, she left, or the girl participating, so I'm just waiting. Oh, sorry guys, she's not joining any games. One sec. So sorry guys, it doesn't seem like she's joining back again. Guys, I might have to end it again. Guys, I'm really sorry. I think it's because I keep disconnecting. I know I'm so rude. Oh, she hates me. It's so good. I love the colors. It's so good. I feel bad, mate. Okay, so guys, I'll pause the video for now and wait until she gets a response because I know that she wants to be in the video badly. So I'm gonna give a big shout out to her. Thank you so much for being in this video, and I will be in touch with you. I will keep you friended, and don't worry. If you have to go, that's perfectly fine. I will not unfriend you. Don't. You might be busy, so I will give you loads of time until you respond. Until I'll give you about a 3-day notice until I'm gonna have to start unfriending people. But if you can somehow respond in this time, I would love to answer anything that you would like to know about here and what to do. But for now, meanwhile, I'm gonna need to start going now because I'm really tired. But guys, I will keep up with you as this video is for tomorrow. So I really don't mind doing this for you guys, so I will keep in touch with them and I will find a way to somehow keep in touch with them and talk with them and ask how's it going, what are we gonna do, because I can never really work anything, so I'm gonna need to start talking with the person. So if you're out there and you're watching this right now, or when I actually post it, please stay in touch with me. And it has been 5 minutes. I just missed that, and yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will be back to you by the time I will have it if I somehow remember. But for now, I'm gonna have to start leaving because I am again extremely tired. I don't have much going on my mind right now, but I do need some time to think about what I'm gonna do in the meantime while I make the videos that I need to make, because I cannot just let it slide, because I also need to post a little more, and now I need to post a lot more. And if she doesn't respond in time, sadly, I'm gonna have to end this video. So if I post a video, sadly, you might not actually see her in the video after this. Again, I'm very sorry to tell you this, but I have to do what I have to do, sadly. So if you can find any way to reach out to me, that would be very helpful. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I will be back if I can, but I hope you have the best day ever and enjoy your day or night. Have a good sleep or have a good day, and goodbye for now.